Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping cookwares that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the REDCAMP 23 PCs Aluminum Lightweight Camping Cookware Mess Kit, FDA approved. If you are looking for an efficient way to cook your meals when camping or hiking, REDCAMP 23 PCs Cookware Mess Kit is all you need to have enjoyable mess-free camping. Ideally, the camping cookware set only weighs 1.5 kilograms, making it exceptionally lightweight to load it in your backpack. Besides that, the frying pan and pot are made from anodized aluminum, making it easy to clean. This 23 pieces camping cookware set is included with an Oxford bag that you can put in your backpack or hang in your pack. The pack measures 8 inches x 8 inches x 5 inches and will solve all your cooking issues. Above all, the manufacturer offers a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Odoland Camping Picnic Hiking Lightweight Cookware Mess Kit for backpacking. Odoland offers an excellent camping cookware mess kit that is made of 10 different pieces that include an aluminum non-stick frying pan, non-stick aluminum pot, serving spoon, tea kettle, and more. The pot has thermally insulated handles that will keep your hands safe from the heat. Also, its anti-slip design offers a comfortable and firm grip in your hands. Moreover, the handles on the stove and pot can be folded to save space. This portable and lightweight cookware mess kit can be stored together in the included mesh bag for convenient carry. Moreover, the cookware kit is designed for individuals who love camping with friends and families. At number 3, we have the Winterial Camping 10-piece cookware set for trekking, hiking, backpacking. The Winterial is versatile camping cookware that comes with all that is needed to enjoy your mealtime outdoors fully. It is a lightweight set that only weighs 1.5 pounds, making it perfect for any hiking or backpacking adventure. Moreover, all the pieces are usually stored together to ensure that they are convenient to carry. The 10 pieces include tea kettle, frying pan, and pot that are made of light and solid aluminum oxide, which is also friction resistant in high temperature. This makes the set durable and will serve you for a long time. Also, the set has a non-stick coating for durability and easy cleaning. At number 2, we have the Overmont Camping Hiking and Picnic Cookware Mess Kit with Pan, Pot, Spoon Kit. Regardless of whether you are a professional hiker or amateur backpacker, this cookware mess kit can satisfy all your needs. The set includes a frying pan, pot, spatula, spoon, plastic bowls, 0.8 L kettle, flint, D-shaped buckle, and a net bag for storage. In addition to that, the accessories are made of anodic oxidation aluminum metal and feature a non-stick coating layer that makes cleaning easy. Subsequently, the set is ideal for 1 to 3 people use, thus, it is small but practical. All the pans and the pot can be easily packed on the carry bag for convenient transporting. Finally, the cooking kit is specially designed for hiking and camping cooking. And finally at number 1, we have the Terra Hiker Lightweight Nonstick Camping Cookware with Mesh Set Bag. The Terra Hiker Camping Cookware is designed for individuals who love outdoor camping with families and friends. The pots can boil 400 milliliters of water in just 2.5 minutes, making it of great help if you are going to make dinner, lunch, and breakfast with friends. Typically, the cookware is made of non-toxic and safe aluminum with a non-stick coating to ensure easy cleaning. Moreover, the thermally insulated plastic handles will keep your fingers safe from fire. One great thing about this camping cookware is that it is portable and compact. It comes with a nylon mesh bag that allows you to pack your items neatly. Furthermore, the set is equipped with all kitchen essentials making it ideal for cooking food and boiling water outdoor. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.